The journey of computing began long before the digital age, with humble beginnings in the world of mechanical devices. The invention of the typewriter in the late 19th century marked a significant step towards automating the writing process. Typewriters allowed for faster and more legible document creation, paving the way for the widespread use of written communication in business and personal life. Around the same time, the need for efficient data processing led to the development of tabulating machines. These ingenious contraptions used punched cards to store and process information, revolutionizing tasks such as census tabulation and accounting. Herman Hollerith, an American inventor, played a pivotal role in pioneering this technology, founding a company that would later become IBM. These early machines, though purely mechanical, laid the groundwork for the development of more sophisticated computing devices. They demonstrated the potential for automating complex tasks and handling vast amounts of data, setting the stage for the electronic revolution to come. The 19th century witnessed the visionary work of Charles Babbage, an English mathematician and engineer often hailed as the father of the computer. Babbage conceived of mechanical calculating machines of unprecedented complexity and capability. His difference engine, designed to automate the production of mathematical tables, showcased the potential of mechanical computation. While Babbage's difference engine was partially constructed, his analytical engine, an even more ambitious project, remained unrealized during his lifetime. This hypothetical machine, intended to be a general-purpose programmable computer, incorporated concepts such as punched cards for input and a central processing unit. Though never built, the analytical engine's design significantly influenced the development of later computers. Babbage's groundbreaking ideas laid the theoretical foundation for the programmable machines that would emerge in the 20th century. His work serves as a testament to the power of human ingenuity in envisioning and designing the future of computing. The dawn of the 20th century witnessed a paradigm shift in computing with the advent of electronic components. Vacuum tubes, devices capable of controlling the flow of electricity, emerged as the building blocks of a new generation of machines. These electronic marvels paved the way for faster and more powerful computing devices, ushering in the era of electronic computers. One of the earliest electronic computers, the Colossus, was built in the United Kingdom during World War II to break German codes. This top-secret machine demonstrated the immense power of electronic computation in tackling complex problems. The Colossus marked a turning point in the history of computing, highlighting the strategic importance of this technology. The development of ENIAC, or Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, in the United States further solidified the dominance of electronic computing. This massive machine, comprising thousands of vacuum tubes, could perform complex calculations at unprecedented speeds. ENIAC's success marked a significant leap forward in the evolution of computers, paving the way for the development of more practical and commercially viable machines. The invention of the transistor in 1947 revolutionized the world of electronics and computing. This tiny semiconductor device, capable of amplifying and switching electronic signals, replaced bulky and inefficient vacuum tubes. The transistor's small size, low power consumption, and increased reliability transformed the landscape of computing. Computers built with transistors were significantly smaller, faster, and more energy efficient than their vacuum tube-based predecessors. This miniaturization allowed for the development of more compact and affordable computers, making them accessible to a wider range of users. The transistor's impact extended beyond computing, driving innovation in fields such as communication, entertainment, and medicine. The widespread adoption of transistors marked a turning point in the history of computing, ushering in the era of miniaturization and mass production. This technological breakthrough paved the way for the development of integrated circuits, further shrinking the size and increasing the power of computers.